Welcome to our channel, where we make personal finance and investing in Germany simple and exciting for expats like you. I'm your host, and today we're kicking things off with a game changer for students, Germany Student Taxes 2025. Did you know that with some clever mini-job hacks, you could claim a €1,200 tax refund? That's right, Euro 200 back in your pocket. Whether you're from the UK, USA, Canada, or beyond, this video is your roadmap to mastering student taxes in Germany. So, grab a drink, sit back, and let's unlock your financial potential together. Imagine this. You're a student in Germany, racing between classes, late-night study sessions, and a mini-job to pay the bills. It's hard work, and you deserve a break. Now, picture this. At the end of 2025, you find out you can claim a €1,200 tax refund. That's like a reward for all your effort. In this video, we'll reveal how to turn your mini-job into a financial win using the 2025 tax rules. So, what's a mini-job? It's a part-time job where you can earn up to €520 per month without paying income tax. For students, it's a lifeline, cash in hand with no tax hassle. But here's the exciting part. In 2025, there's a way to maximize your earnings and get that refund. Ready to find out how? Let's dive into the details. Now that you know what a mini-job is, let's explore how to make the most of it in 2025. Here's the deal. In Germany, if your total income for the year is below €10,908, you don't owe income tax. But if taxes were taken from your mini-job pay, you can claim them back. Taxes might sound dull, but think of it as a puzzle. Solve it and you win a prize. Take Lisa, a student from Australia in Hamburg. She worked a mini-job at a bookstore, earning €500 a month. Over the year, she paid €600 in taxes. By filing a tax return, she got all €600 back because her income was under the limit. That's money for rent, food, or maybe a weekend trip. So, how do you claim your refund? It's easier than you think. First, grab your income statements. Those are called Lohnsteuerbescheinigung from your employer. Then, head to the Elster online portal. It's free and simple to use. You might be wondering, is this harder than building IKEA furniture? Nope, it's way easier. Add any deductible costs like study books, travel, or even part of your rent if you study at home. Here's a pro tip. If you earn less than €520 a month, ask your employer to apply the tax-free allowance to your mini-job. No taxes taken means more money each month, like a refund in real time. Connect these steps, and you're on your way to that €1,200. Let's bring it all together. Mini jobs let you earn tax-free cash, and with the 2025 rules, you can claim back taxes if your income is below €10,908. Lisa showed us it's possible. She turned her mini job into a financial boost. Now, it's your turn to take control. Check your earnings, gather your papers, and file your tax return by July 31st, 2026. You could see that refund in weeks. But here's a twist. Did you know there's a way to make your student loan interest tax deductible in Germany? It's a secret that can save you more, and I'll spill it in our next video. Don't miss out. Subscribe now and join our expat community. Your financial journey in Germany starts today. Thanks for watching. If this inspired you, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Got questions or tips of your own? Leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. As expats, we're all in this together, and financial freedom is closer than you think. Stay tuned for more practical advice, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's keep building your wealth in Germany, one smart move at a time.